In this video, let's learn how to change our birth dates in our Google account. To change your birthday on your Google account, you log into your account. In this case, I'll go straight to my profile icon because I'm already logged in, and then click on it. Come down here to manage your Google account. Click on that, and then come to personal information. Click on it, and then move down to your birthday. So we want to make changes to our birthday. So I'll click on the drop down menu for the month. Say I want to change it to January, and then I can change the day to 28th, and then I can also change the year to 1978, and then after I will click on save, and then I will confirm my birthday. Click confirm, and there you go. As you can see, your birthday has been updated. So we'll click on refresh to make sure the changes are effected. And there you go. So this is how we change our birth date on our Google accounts. I hope this was super easy. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow for more tips.